in my tummy, you know, an empty stomach. I love you.
Hallelujah, it's raining men.
So we're live. Gastric sleeve. Clinic HE, I'm coming. Yes, I decided to have my surgery with Dr. Hassan Erdem in Istanbul. In Istanbul, Clinic HE. I am Natali Makoma. I'm a singer. I'm also a mom for 2 children and I'm married. That's me, Natali Makoma.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
Welcome Natali.
Well, thank you.
How are you?
Good.
Bugün tetkikleri yapacağız. Kan tahlillerini, ultrasonunu, EKG'sini vesaire yapacağız. Ameliyatı biliyorsun Natali. Biliyorsun mide küçültme ameliyatı olacaksın. Sleeve gastrektomi operasyonu. Ameliyat öncesi endoskopiyle midene bakacağız seni uyutarak. Ardından laparoskopik sleeve gastrektomi operasyonunu yapacağız.
Okay. And what that scopy in my keel?
Ja, is met een busje, dus jij slaapt.
Yeah? Oh,
Ja.
I slap. Okay.
Ja.
Yes, under anestezi.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Daha önce bir ameliyat geçirdi mi?
Niet in de maag, maar voor andere dingen. Voor borst en ogen.
Genel anestezi aldı daha önce. Tamam, genel anesteziden uyanırken birkaç saat ağrısı olur. Bu da onun gibi bir ağrı olacak. Ama biz morfinle zaten destekleyeceğiz. Morfinle ağrılarını dindirmeye çalışacağız. Bu akşam beraber yürüyeceğiz zaten.
Super. En ik ben heel blij dat u mij gaat opereren. Omdat ik heb heel veel van u gelezen, gezien. En ja, voor mij is een eer dat u mij gaat opereren. Dat is echt super.
Sağ olun.
I chose the gastric sleeve. It is because I couldn't take it anymore. I tried everything. I did all the diet programs, but it wasn't like working. I was losing weight, but then I gained it again. And then I said, okay, I have to choose for the weight loss surgery.
Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let's take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way?
Now your BMI is 39.9 and fat percent 45.9, and you have your fat mass is 53, but it will be between 10 and 15 kg. You will lose until become your fat until 10 or between 15.
It's really 39 BMI is high.
Yes.
Is that normal?
You are very close to the morbid obesity, and it means you invite all the disease because of the obesity, like diabetes or high blood pressure, and they will come. But when, we don't know. Maybe 5 years later, maybe 2 years later. But when you lose weight, the risks, the disease risk will gone.
Okay, so I better stay skinny then.
Yes.
Why I chose to do the surgery in Turkey and not in Europe or in Holland, it is because when I got to the decision of the weight loss surgery, I told myself, let me go look to the Google search. I saw that website and I saw the Clinic Obesitas HE in Turkey, and I saw the reviews of all the patients. And then I told myself, and I always heard for friends, that if you want a good surgery, you have to be in Turkey. And then I saw this wonderful clinic, and then I contacted them, and then I got Sema, and she explained everything. She was so attentive, so she gave me all the attention. She has listened to my problems, which you don't get always.
Salut, bonjour Natali.
Oh, français!
Oui, bienvenue à Istanbul.
Oh mon Dieu! Mais il y a combien de langues ici? Vous
Oui,
parlez?
ici nous avons, avec Sema, vous avez déjà vu, l'hollandaise, anglais bien sûr. Moi, j'aide avec français, italien et espagnol.
Wow! Wow! Franchement, c'est... Wow! Ça me fait du bien de parler aussi français et d'avoir quelqu'un qui parle aussi français. Donc, une passion qui veut venir ici, qui parle que français, donc il n'aura pas de problème alors.
Oui, c'est moi. C'est moi pour ces patients.
Prendre en charge pour les patients francophones.
Ouais.
Wow. Ok, ben je suis
Yeah,
contente.
je vois que vous êtes prête pour la chirurgie.
Oui, ça va se réaliser. J'ai hâte, franchement j'ai hâte.
Ouais.
Alors, je suis trop contente d'avoir pris cette décision.
Parfait, parfait. Je crois que votre résultats sont déjà arrivés.
Oui.
Les médecins vous attendent dedans.
Oui.
Bonne chance.
Merci beaucoup et merci de faire un...
Merci à vous pour être si gentil.
Merci.
À bientôt, à plus
bientôt,
tard.
alors. À plus tard, merci. Whew. I have nothing in my tummy, you know, I have an empty stomach. I love you. My surgery will be done in a few minutes. What am I thinking? Oh my God, I'm very, very nervous. You cannot know how long I've been waiting for this moment. Finally, the way you see me now, the next time, girl, you will see me differently. And yes, the image for as a singer is very important. And I'm a performer who dance a lot. So my condition will be very high and my life will change in a few minutes. My life will change. And I hope that after a few minutes, I will still talk like this. I know I will be down, but this is awesome. It's awesome, actually. I should scream. It's awesome. In a few minutes, my life will change. Oh, baby, baby, what you've done to me, I'm gonna have my gastric sleeve. Yeah. And I'm so happy now, 'cause you make me feel so alive. Gastric sleeve.
Hallo. Hi, ze is net uit de operatie. Ze is net de kamer binnengekomen. Maar ik dacht, laat me eventjes weten. Maar het gaat wel goed met haar, ze doet echt goed. Ja, nee, zij doet echt goed, echt waar. Nog eens? Lach eens? Kijk, ze lacht. Ze is echt net 5 minuten of zo terug van de OK. Eindelijk, hè? Achter de rug, hè? Ja. Ze heeft nu lichte pijn, ze is een beetje misselijk nu. En ze heeft het gevoel dat ze moet plassen, maar ja, voor de rest gaat het wel goed.
I saw the whole team. I met the Dr. H.E. himself. He is so kind and he gave me the feeling to trust him. And the team also, everyone is smiling. Everyone is giving you uncomfortable feeling that you don't feel like, oh my God, I'm going to die, but you feel like I'm in good hands.
Life is wonderful. Life is wonderful.
Welcome. Come to my room.
Never understood. But life can be there.
Today is my way in. I'm going to the hospital, my last check-in. And they're gonna look everything and if everything went well, if my body is responding well, because I'm saying everything is fine, but maybe the body is saying no, everything is not fine. So the Dr. H.E. will see everything and then I will meet the nutritionist. She will explain to me the phase 2, the soft food and the solid food. She will give me the list. She will explain everything and I will ask my lot of questions that I have on my list, writing down on my phone, so I cannot forget. And we will go visit all the famous places here in Turkey. So I cannot wait after the way in. Then is no serious stuff, but more fun stuff. Now, at the moment, I will go the way in. It will be serious, no fun, just serious and getting to know where I am and where I'm going. And after that, party!
I'm in a good mood. I'm walking down the street.
Hello!
I am with my bare feet.
You lost 2.6 kg.
Oh, is that
Good.
good?
Yes.
And what is the best time to always wait? Is it every week or every month?
Every month is better, or every 2 weeks you can make a measure, but not every day. First month you're gonna lose 10%, and on your third month you will lose 20%, and on your 6th month you will lose 30%, and on your 1 year 40%. You will be on your ideal weight.
And the ideal weight was the 60, 65.
Yeah. Yes, for you, yes.
Wow.
First, you know, also first 15 days you should do the liquid diet period.
It's a lovely morning. The sun is warming. The birds are making rest.
Hi.
Hello,
Tuğçe.
doctor.
Hello, Natali.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How is going, Natali?
Good.
How are you today?
Good. I felt since yesterday a little bit dizzy, and I didn't know why. So
Finished now.
now it's finished because I'm drinking more water because I was drinking insufficient water. So now I feel
Better.
the energy is going up now.
Good. Very good. Very good.
My shakes in the beginning, I couldn't pass this line. Now I am like here.
Yes.
I'm standing here. I'm being full from if I'm here.
3 times a day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. That's enough. Now, drink water.
Yes, water. I have really do my best because I was confused.
Yes.
I didn't know how to drink water, but the other doctor told me that I have to drink all the time.
Yes.
And
Good.
3 bottles.
Yes. Most important issue: drink water and soup and protein shakes. Okay. Did you walk?
Yes. I
Okay.
walk always.
1 month more walk. Okay, just walking.
Okay.
And first month later, fitness or swimming or other physical activity.
Okay.
Okay.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men.
Sun is yellow by the way. It's a lovely morning. I'm feeling blessed. The sun is warming. The birds are making rest. Oh, it's such a lovely morning. Oh, it's such a lovely morning.
My goal is to be in shape, to dance again, to shoot my video clip because I'm not gonna shoot any video clip if those fat are not off. They need to go off first, and then I'm gonna shoot my video and I'm gonna perform again and I'm gonna be myself again. That's what I want, and I want to fit in my husband's clothes. My husband is skinny. I look like a big mama to him. I look like his big sister. I look like his stepmother. I don't want that. I want when he calls me, Natali, should I buy for you 1 jean? Yes, buy. Not that he said, can you come down? And I have to do this. Because is it gonna fit or not? But now when he go to the shop, he don't need to ask me. All he needs is my size, and that's it. That's my goal. With all the experience that I just had with the surgery, the decision I made, am I going to suggest this to someone? Definitely. This is the best decision that I made, and this is the best decision that you will make, because it is really helping you. It's not a shortcut at all. This is not easy. I'm drinking only liquid right now. Protein shakes for 15 days. I'm not hungry, but I'm bored because you're just drinking. So is this easy? Hell no, it's not. I was in a restaurant with the team. Everyone was eating fries, hamburgers. I was drinking. Is that shortcut? Hell no, it is not shortcut. It is definitely not easy, but it is the best decision if you cannot do it alone. So I would definitely advise to someone who needs help and who has the same problem like I did to do that, because it will help and improve.
You make me feel, you make me feel, you make me feel like a natural woman. Oh, baby, 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 what you've done to me. You make me feel so good inside. Oh, and I just wanna be close to you. You make me feel so alive.